air. Hands up, please. Hands up in the air. Hands up, please. Right, you may lower your hands. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need room service, our telephones have not worked in almost 80 years since 1939. So if you are needing anything, you may scream for it. That's not very reassuring.
Passengers of the Ocean Common Elevator are about to ascend into your very own the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and had a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest part of the imagination.
Here we go.
The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please, do come back and see us again. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Nós somos lá e fizemos o piloto.